Hello Techies. In today's session, we will learn one of the most important concepts in modern AI software development, that is Agentic Coding. Traditional software development usually involves developers manually writing instructions step by step. Even when using AI tools in the past, the interaction was often limited to asking simple questions or generating isolated code snippets. However, modern AI systems are evolving beyond simple assistants. They are becoming intelligent agents capable of planning, reasoning, executing tasks, and collaborating with humans. This approach is called agentic coding. So, what exactly is agentic coding? Agentic coding refers to a development workflow where AI systems act as autonomous or semi-autonomous software agents. Instead of simply responding to one prompt at a time, these agents can understand goals, break tasks into smaller steps, make decisions, maintain context, and execute workflows intelligently. For an example, imagine a developer says, build a customer support application with authentication, database integration, and deployment configuration. In traditional AI prompting, the developer would need to guide each and every step manually. But in agentic coding, the AI can create a plan, generate components, review dependencies, write documentation, and even suggest deployment strategies automatically. This represents a major shift in software engineering. Modern platforms such as Claude are introducing features that support agentic workflows, including planning modes, project memory, context engineering, tools integration, and multi-step reasoning. Alright, now we will understand the key characteristics of agentic coding. One of the important characteristics of agentic coding is autonomy. AI agents can perform tasks with reduced human intervention while still following instructions and boundaries defined by the developers. Another key feature is contextual awareness. Agentic systems can understand project structures, development goals, coding standards, and workflow history. This allows AI to operate more intelligently within real-time projects. Agentic coding also introduces the concept that is AI collaboration. Instead of thinking about a simple chatbot, developers now interact with AI as a co-worker or engineering assistant. For an example, agent A may generate the code, another agent, agent B, may review security issues, agent C may create documentation, and agent D may run the test flows. This creates what many experts call AI software teams. Another major advantage of agentic coding is productivity. Repetitive tasks such as debugging, testing, documentation, and refactoring can be automated intelligently. However, agentic coding is not about replacing developers. Human engineers still play the most important role in defining architecture, understanding business needs, ensuring security, making ethical decisions, and validating final outputs. AI agents are tools that enhance developer capabilities rather than eliminating them. As AI technology advances, agentic coding is expected to become a core part of the enterprise software engineering. Future developers may spend less time writing repetitive code and more time guiding intelligent systems strategically. This is why learning agentic workflows is becoming an essential skill for modern developers. In conclusion, agentic coding represents the evolution of AI from simple code generation toward intelligent software collaboration. It combines automation, reasoning, planning, and contextual understanding to create more efficient development workflows. The future of software engineering will likely involve humans and AI agents working together as collaborative teams to build smarter and more innovative solutions. Alright, I hope you understand what is agentic coding as part of this tutorial.